Okay, so today we will show you how we do the loading. So you see here, this is our container. So it's waiting for the loading. Okay, so welcome to HDFocus. So right now it's almost the end of the year, so we are doing the loading to the container. So this is our entire whiteboard. So let me follow me. I will show you. You see here, this is our 65-inch entire whiteboard. So this is all well packaged. So please follow me. So you see here, this is our 75-inch entire whiteboard. And also this is also our rack. This is our floor standing rack. So we offer total solution. So you see here right now, all these goods is waiting for the loading. So right now our worker is doing the loading now. So this is the real factory loading situation. Okay, so this is our aging room. So you see here all our products is doing age testing before shipping. So let me follow me. So you see here all the products is doing age testing right now. Okay, so this age testing can show the product quantity. So normally we will do the age testing for about 48 hours before shipping. So this is very strict quality control. So right now let me show you our warehouse. You will see here we keep very big stock for the panel. You know the panel if I have big stock, this can ensure the product quick delivery. So you see here for the panel, we normally use the LG or the BOE, the big branding. This is A grade. So you see here, all this we use the BOE brand. You can see here, this is the BOE. Okay, so you can see here, we keep the mini size like the 65, 75, 80, 86. You see here, that's why we have so many stock here. So choose HDFocus, we can assure the very quick delivery and good product quality.